don't even know if you can hear me, but today is very windy. Everything started kind of blowing away. I had to put the awning up because it was flapping in the wind. I woke up to that. That was a fun thing to wake up to. But I think our time in this spot, at least, is done. I think it's time to go explore a little bit and see if there's another place, maybe around some people this time. Maybe. A friend of mine told me about this really good pizza place in town, so I think we're gonna go hit that up for lunch today. Oh boy, it sure was windy out there. Whew. Got everything packed away, chased down everything that blew away. I just turned the AC on because it may be windy, but it's still warm. So I cranked down the AC and it just smells like dirt. There's so much dust in the air. In case you guys were wondering what it's like driving down just a simple dirt road with a stock suspension E350, here you go. This is the ultimate test of your van build. This is just a very simple dirt road. If your van build can survive this on stock suspension, it can survive just about anything. Listen to that. It's incredible. You want to know what'll fix this? Some good tires and a lift kit. I think that's going to be next. Here we are at Silly Owl's. This is a happening place. There's like nowhere to park.
I didn't go into why or how. But
Silly Owl's was a no-go. Have at least an hour and a half wait. It is so busy in there. It's so loud. Looks like a cool place. It smells awesome, but we're gonna try to find somewhere else local. Let's find somewhere else to go. What a mess. Oh, hi. You were up on the bed, weren't you? Silly boy. All right, let's try the next place. Taco Mio. Let me do the Mio burrito and an order of chips and salsa. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that is huge. That looks bomb. Rating in the car because I didn't want Bentley to be out here all by himself. He just climbs on the bed and sleeps, but he doesn't like being alone. So we are just chilling in the parking lot eating lunch. We just pulled into the High Jolly BLM area. It is a busy place. Look at all the people here. Let's get some fresh air blowing. Tons of RVs. Handful of vans. Doesn't look like anybody's out and about though. It is pretty windy. Look at that van. Cool. Look at all the RVs. Holy cow. Kind of like the other area we were. We were literally the only person within at least a half a mile. Well, let's go drive around. guess I wouldn't be either. This bad boy looks like it's four-wheel drive. It is. Look at that. Sweet. There are some super fancy rigs out here too. See all the haze out there? Off in the distance, that is just dirt flying through the air. It is windy. Now we're rolling into Plamosa. See what's going on out here. Doesn't look quite as busy. There's a sweet van with a camp trailer on it. Pretty cool setup. Heading for the hills. We're gonna go see if we can find something up in that area. We still have a couple bars of cell service, so that's nice. Hopefully it stays like that. And hopefully some of these mountains will give us a little bit of a windbreak as well, because it is windy and dusty, and that's really annoying. I want to spend time outside. I don't want to be cooped up inside the van. It's pretty through here though. I don't know why people say the desert is ugly. I think it's gorgeous in its own way. It's definitely not the Rocky Mountains by any stretch, but it's still real pretty. We just drove past this dirt road. Like a potentially cool little 2-track going up somewhere. So let's go see where it goes. Maybe we can find a cool camp spot back here for the night. Oh, maybe not. That hill over there looks steep. Let's try it. That looks a little sketchy for a two-wheel drive van with street tires. Yep, I'm giving up on that one. And even in this little bowl that we're in, it's still really windy. There's just no escaping it out here. I don't think I want to chance this far out. I mean, it's not terrible. The van would probably do it. I don't think it'd be that big of a deal. But is it worth even the possibility of it getting stuck? Got a couple big holes here. Camera doesn't do it justice, but a couple big holes, so I'd be getting a tire off the ground for sure. Open diff, rear wheel drive. Might not have even made it around that one turn. And then the hill over there is really steep too. Yeah. Well, it's a cool little area. We stopped in the little turnaround to let Bentley out for a little bit. But we're gonna just head back, I guess, to where everybody else is staying. Just find a spot and hunker down like everybody else is. The wind is just gonna get colder as the sun goes down. In Bentley's old age, he sleeps a whole lot more than he used to when he was in his crazy, wild, non-stop exploring prime. I've heard people say that dogs don't dream. That is bull. Bentley seems like he's dreaming of the good old days when he can run around, explore, and play in nature for hours on end. It breaks my heart that he can't do that anymore. It doesn't stop him from trying though, and that makes me happy. Oh shoot. Somebody parked right next to me last night. I wonder who that is. Right there. Oh. Hi, what's up, girl? What's up, girl? And say hi to Bentley? Bentley's like, I'm not used to that. Well, we are out in the Formosa area camping out today. It's windy, it's chilly, but it's pretty cool. And we're all set up here. I'm gonna probably cook some lunch a little later. Maybe not, but at least cook dinner. I'm waiting for Paul from Vancity Vanlife. He's in town doing van tours. And we've been just kind of hanging out. He pulled up last night. We were down in another area and kind of hung out a little bit, chatted. And we were to come up here, a little more open, a little bit further from the highway to do these, so he can do these van tours. And it's pretty exciting. It's windy again, but yeah, we're just getting ready to hang out here and chill. We got some storm clouds rolling in. Over here it looks like it's downpouring. Out here in Arizona, those little downpours don't last very long, but they can be pretty brutal. I'm gonna do some dinner with Paul and just kind of get to know him a little bit and chill. He's a super nice guy. I want to check out his build. He's got a huge box truck. It looks sweet. The Vancity Vanlife channel just posted a little video of kind of it was a van tour that I did during the summer. It was just a real quick one. It was awesome to see that on his channel. That was kind of fun. And also all the subscribers that I got on my YouTube channel based on that. Thanks guys, that is awesome. I know my channel's not going to be as cool as Chrome's. I'm still learning all this YouTube stuff. I don't get it. You know, editing and all that, I'm still learning all that. So hopefully it'll get better as time goes on. With this van tour, it'll be a little more in-depth. So we'll kind of cover, you know, my van build a little bit more. And I don't know if Chrome's going to show it again. I don't know if that would be necessarily too fair to everybody else, because I'm sure there's some other van builds that are way better than mine, and I'd like to see those ones too. But if this you know, build shows up on his channel again, that would be awesome. Plus, I just like showing off my van. It's just awesome. It's fun, you know. I think everybody has that kind of feeling, being able to show off their van home that they live in. I love it. This is just amazing, you know. It's just awesome. I'm excited to meet some of these other Vancity Vanlife weirdos. Yeah. Everybody seems just so awesome in, you know, like comments and, you know, whatever. So it'll be sweet to meet some of the USA weirdos in person. It'll be kind of cool, and be able to check out their rigs too. I love doing that. I love seeing what other people build, their ideas and their, you know, what their vision is for van life. So it'd be cool to see that. I'm excited. Bentley's just loving being outside. And depending on the wind, we might get a fire going, get the projector screen set up, and have a little fire in a movie or something. Or if I can get Paul to park right next to me, we can use the side of his box truck. Put the projector on there, that'd be sweet. Have a huge screen tonight, yeah. Well, this storm moved in quick. We're putting this awning to the test. Or at least the Velcro straps. They're holding on tight. I've got these Night Eyes cam jam things and ground grabber stakes. They're like basically big screws that go into the ground. So I know the frame isn't going anywhere, but these poor Velcro straps are holding on for dear life. Paul's over here doing a van tour of Rich's van, his awesome GMC Savannah. It's a pretty cool build. It's kind of cool to see the behind the scenes of them doing this. I didn't film anything the rest of the night. Paul, Rich, and I hung out and got to know each other, as did Bentley and Peanut. Bentley loves puppies and definitely puts them in their place when they get too excited. Peanut jumped on Bentley a few times and learned from an old dog not to do that. They were best little buddies from that first night on. And if you don't already, make sure you follow Paul on Instagram and YouTube. His videos and pictures are absolutely amazing. I headed back to the valley the next day, but Paul and I would meet up again to go play in the desert with some friends, some dirt bikes, and some guns. We have the Canadian loading bullets.
America, yeah.
Well, thanks for hanging with us out here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop a comment for us. We'll see y'all next time.